Hey guys, if you want to contact Klarna customer support, then this is how you can do it. Simply open Google Chrome or search at the Google default search bar in your home screen. Simply type Klarna customer support. So right here, tap on the first link called customer service Klarna International. After you tap on it, it will take you to a page something like this, and simply tap the language you want. I'm going to select United States, and here you can just sign in to chat with them, or you can simply contact with them. For now, I'll simply tap on contact us, and here you can call the customer support at Klarna, and it is that easy. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.